Can BNB break past $620? On-chain and derivatives metrics hint positively. BNB $603 saw a 12% increase in value over the 7 days leading up to March 29th, reaching a nearly 2-week high of $620. This surge narrowed the valuation gap with its main competitor, Ether ETH $3,626, which posted a 5% gain during the same time frame. However, mixed signals from on-chain BNB chain data suggest that the rally may have stretched too far. Impact from spot Bitcoin ETF flows and DeFi momentum on BNB's price. Market analysts note that the cryptocurrency market's upward trend is closely linked to inflows into spot Bitcoin BTC $70,522 exchange-traded funds ETFs, which experienced a setback in the week ending March 23rd. For the first time since the introduction of spot ETFs in January, these financial instruments saw a net outflow of $890 million. On a positive note, recent figures indicate a significant decrease in outflows from Grayscale GBTC fund, with only $104 million leaving the fund on March 28th. In the first half of March, BNB's price soared by 61.7%, but this momentum reversed after reaching a peak of $645, corresponding to a market capitalization of $96.4 billion. For context, BNB hit an all-time high valuation of $116 billion in November 2021. Interestingly, the total value locked TIVL on BNB chain, which represents the total deposits in the network's smart contracts, was $15.7 billion at that peak, but has since fallen to just $7.1 billion, a 55% reduction. It's important to recognize that the entire crypto market, particularly decentralized finance DeFi, has contracted significantly since late 2021. Therefore, it's somewhat unfair to single out the decline in BNB chain's TIVL. For example, the total market data for all blockchains tracked by DeFi Llama, which once reached nearly $205 billion, now stands at $155 billion, marking a 25% decrease. Hence, a detailed examination of BNB chain's TIVL, especially in comparison with direct competitors like Ethereum and Solana, saw $197, is warranted. BNB chain's smart contract deposits have fallen to their lowest since March 2021, down 10% over 2 months, in stark contrast to Ethereum's 8% TIVL increase in ETH terms and Solana's TIVL, which jumped 29% since January 28th, as reported by DeFi Llama. BNB chain's activity looks promising. TIVL should not be the sole indicator of a blockchain success. Many decentralized applications dApps, including non-fungible token inf marketplaces, games, decentralized bets, collectibles, and social networks, do not require substantial deposits. In the past week alone, nearly 2 million active addresses were engaging with dApps on the BNB chain. BNB chain's activity levels rival those of Ethereum's most active layer 2 networks, boasting a comparable number of active addresses. Notably, despite Solana's active addresses being 14% higher during the same time frame, no blockchain other than Ethereum approaches the 7-day trading volume of BNB chain, which stands at $12.4 billion. Moreover, while Solana and Ethereum saw their volumes decrease, BNB chain's trading volume experienced an 11% uptick. Forecasting future trends in the cryptocurrency sector presents considerable challenges. A more reliable approach involves examining derivative metrics, such as the demand for leverage in BNB perpetual futures contracts, which serves as an indicator of market demand. A key metric to consider is the funding rate. A positive funding rate indicates a tendency among traders to apply leverage to their long positions. The latest figures show that the demand for leveraged long positions has leveled off, with the 8-hour funding rate holding steady at around 0.03%, or about 0.6% weekly. Usually, when traders feel positive about the market, this rate can climb above 1.2% per week. So, despite BNB's price struggle with the $620 level, market sentiment remains optimistic.